Let D be a subset of R square, denote the closed disk with center at the origin and radius 2, then double integral over D e square minus x square plus y square dx dy is equal. This is a double integral problem and we have to solve, and one option will be right. As D is a disk, this is a disk, center at origin and radius this is r, and we have to evaluate D e minus x square plus y square dx dy. Whenever you see x square plus y square in integrand function, then always transform this coordinate system into polar system. It will be easier for us. X square plus y square equal to r square, and Jacobian J is r dr d theta. We need Jacobian when we transform one system to another system, then we need Jacobian, and Jacobian multiply in as a dx dy. So r is this and it's running from 0 to radius 2, so value of r will be 0 to 2, and theta, as this is entire region or d, so it will be 0 to 2 pi, and this is e raised to the power minus r square r dr d theta. This is Jacobian. Now solve this expression as this is involved as in power, and its derivative r is available in integrand function. So it will be e raised to the power minus r square, and derivative of r square will be 1 upon 2, and r 1 upon 2 r dr, it will be replaced by, if you consider r square or let r square equal to t, then 2r dr equal to dt, then r dr equal to 1 upon 2 dt. This is I want to tell you. So 1 upon 2 is this, a raised to the power minus r square. Its limit is 0 to 2 and theta is 0 to 2 pi d theta. Now put the value of this 1 upon 2 outside, 0 to 2 pi e raised to the power minus 4, and put 0, e raised to the power 0 means 1, as this is free from theta, so you can take outside 1 upon 2. Also negative sign will be there because of minus appeared here, so minus, minus also, so minus a raised to the power minus 4 minus 1, 0 to 2 pi d theta will be 2 pi, and minus half this, e raised to the power minus 4 minus 1, 2 cancel out by 2, and you can write 1 minus e raised to the power minus 4 into 2 pi. So 2 pi you can take outside. So which one option is giving this? Not 2 here because 2 cancel out. So pi 1 minus e raised to the power minus r square, option A is right.